Now come to the next question. In the question number 15 it says that identify the water image of the figure. Again, if you want to find out the water image of this given 3, we have earlier discussed, if you want to find out the water image of anything, just turn from the top to bottom. That means if you want to find out the water image, so I want to find out water image of 3. We'll pick the 3 from the top and just turn down. So if you will turn down to 3, it will looks like in the same way, something like this. That means this 3, if you taken from the top till the bottom, so this 3 will look like something like this. Now come to the next question. Again, in the all three part, we have to find out the water image. Water image, the basic concept behind water image. If you want to take out, again I'm taking the example, this, suppose I'm explaining with the help of this alphabet. If you want to take the water image, so you have to just turn the paper from top to bottom. If you want to find out the mirror image, just turn the paper from right to left. This is our mirror image, and this, if you turn the paper from top to bottom, if you turn this is a water image. The quite simple concept behind that. Now again, we want to find out the water image for this. So what will be the water image? This circle remains as it is. This arrow will remain as it is. And if you see, again if it is getting some problem, or maybe you are not understanding, just create the diagram on any paper, and for example you have created C, quite similar. Just turn the paper from top to bottom, so these two things will be in the upward direction, so it will looks like in this way. So this will be the water image for the given figure. Now come to the next question. In the next question, again we have to find out the water image of the word maths. So if you if you turn maths, the letter of MATHS, from top to bottom, so it will looks like M will be look like W, A will be look like this way, T look like this way, H will be this, S will be something like this. So this will be the water image for the word. In the whole chapter, you just have to apply the same concept, and each and every question will be answered quite easily. So this was all about the chapter water and mirror image.